Hello, I'm gonna be showing you step by step on how you can get money off hold on eBay. Now, I've been selling on eBay for the past like 6 years. I have a lot of experience with eBay and why some payments are on hold and what causes this, like why eBay puts your payment on hold. So first, I'm going to show you the reasons and then I'm going to show you the solutions, okay? So first reason why the payment is on hold is because you are a new seller and you are just getting started on eBay, and eBay doesn't trust you like right now because you are still building the sales history on eBay. Now, the moment you start to sell more products, for example, every month you sell around like 15 products, 20 products, like next month they will not hold the payment, it will be released immediately. It's not immediately, but within 24 hours from my own experience running like multiple eBay stores. That's exactly my experience with eBay. You just need to upload, by the way, whenever you ship the products, make sure you upload the tracking number quickly, like within 2 days, within 1 day, so that eBay tracks when the item is delivered. Now, this is very important, especially if you are a new seller. Like, it starts to build trust with you. eBay starts to trust you more, so you just need to add the tracking number. Now, once the item is delivered, then the payment will be released to you, and then you can like withdraw your own money from eBay. Now, like I said, after just like a month, after selling like 15 products and all the items are delivered without any problem, now the payment will be released to you within 24 hours, regardless if you upload the tracking number or you didn't upload the tracking number. The payment will be released to you quickly, okay? So that's all you need to do to fix this problem. So you just need to click here, it says orders, click on awaiting shipment or paid and shipped. So if you already paid, like if you already shipped the product, you want to click on paid and shipped. Or if the product is still like if you are still like it's still in the handling time, you want to click on awaiting shipment. Now you will be able to find the product here. Make sure, like I said, to click on these three little dots and then click on add here, add tracking number. Now the reason why you need to do that, like I said, is eBay tracks when the item is delivered to your customer. Now, after this, see the first item is delivered, the second item, the third item, eBay starts to trust you and then doesn't hold the money anymore for the future orders. That's how it works. Also, another reason for hold is because if you are selling like $1,000 a day with eBay, and then all of this sudden you started doing $3,000 a day, $4,000 a day, eBay starts to make this like as unusual activity, if that makes sense. So they just hold the payments just to make sure that the products are delivered to the customers. So another way, especially if you are a new seller and you don't want to wait till you build sales history, you build some history with eBay, you cannot wait. You want the payment fast. Now what you want to do is you want to find the product here and then you want to contact the buyer directly. Say something like, hi, can you please leave a positive feedback? Now the moment they leave a positive feedback, it sends a sign to eBay that this item is in perfect condition and the buyer is happy, and then they release the payment to you, okay? So, or they can just like mark it as completed. Just contact the buyer, say something like, please can you mark it as completed, I already shipped this to you, and then you will be able to mark it as completed inside their own eBay store, inside their own eBay's purchase history here, okay? So that's exactly how it works. You just need to be patient a little bit, especially if you are a new seller. This is not permanent, by the way. I'm running like multiple stores and this happens to me all the time, like with new stores. So hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, by the way, if there is anything you don't understand or about eBay and why like anything, just let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. And by the way, if you have any questions, like I said, let me know in the comments and drop a like. That would be highly appreciated. See you.